Do you not have time for a DIY right now and you're looking for a hair mask that's going to absolutely work for you in a pinch that focuses on cleansing your hair, promoting hair growth, and enough moisture to leave your hair feeling nice and hydrated and just feeling good? Then I got a mask for you called Cassia Curls hair mask that you guys are absolutely going to love. And welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I'm the CEO founder that specializes in this amazing brand with henna, natural hair dyeing, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and beautiful henna body arts. So today we're going to be joining the beautiful Sable. Absolutely love her hair, love her personality, her whole vibe. So in this video, she's using the Cassia and Curls hair mask and shows us the steps from the beginning to the end. And this is a great mask to use when you're in a pinch. You don't have the time to do a DIY, or maybe you're a viewer that doesn't even care about DIYs and you just want something you can use, like put it in your hair, leave it on like an hour or two and you're good to go, and will make your curls pop. And Sable describes her hair type as being a multi-textured type 4 hair, and it also is about low to medium porosity level of hair. And if you have a similar hair type, then you're gonna absolutely love this video, and you can relate to her and her experience, and you're gonna see exactly how this Cassia Curls moisture rich mask can work for you. So what did you think about her experience? I mean, are you down for it? Is this something that you might be trying yourself? What did you think? And what are some of your go-tos in your, wash day treatments that you're doing? Let me know. I would love to know more. And don't forget, you got to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our videos that I have coming out for you every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. You don't want to miss any of it. I'll see you next time.